we can. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for checking in to the Fulton Atlanta Community Action Authority. We are doing all we can to process applications, but we want yours. If you have not sought help and you know that we can help you now, please call us. We are doing all we can to make sure that any stimulus money that is to be spent is spent on you. There are many people who are looking for foreclosure assistance, eviction, resistance, employment, entrepreneurial training. We have workshops that we're providing through churches. Check our website and explore all of the opportunities we have for you to get in this picture. We want you healthy so that you can ride out this recession. If you call us and we are not the ones that can serve you, we will certainly point you in the right direction. Thank you so much for counting on us, checking in on our website, and letting us help you and change your life. Have a great week.